Presenting an exclusive harbourside position, taking full advantage of both water and city skyline views. Hi, my name's Titan Davis.
And my name's Blake Austin Tock, both proudly representing Pello. We can't wait to walk you through this property. It offers the absolute best in Mosman living. Let's go check it out.
Upon entry, you're immediately struck by breathtaking harbour vistas as well as stylish timber floorboards. The living and dining area are well proportioned and positioned perfectly to capture the outlook. The kitchen for this home is an absolute highlight. It's well appointed, features stone benchtop, preferred gas cooking, dishwasher and optional internal laundry facility. The accommodation features one large bedroom with built-in robes as well as an ensuite with floor-to-ceiling tiles. Something that I love about this apartment that I know will stand out to so many buyers in this price range, apart from these world-class water views, has to be we're only 200 metres away from Mosman Bay ferry. This gives you a 20-minute commute into the Sydney CBD. Other features include oversized undercover car space, double brick construction, and additional laundry facility. After walking you through this home, we know it ticks all the boxes when it comes to Lower North Shore living.
If there's any questions, give myself or Titan a call, and we look forward to seeing you at the next inspection.